pronounce things so properly. So yeah, this is like definitely the best video to post for my first video on YouTube. So let's get started, okay. Chubby Bunny. You're already failing. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
I can't do this.
Chubby Bunny.
It's too funny.
Chubby Bunny. You gotta count how many in my mouth.
Restart.
I'm not spitting this out. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
I just want to see a video of you in your mouth.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Get them in your cheeks. Like this, Ruby. One chubby bunny. You gotta put them in your cheeks.
I started like getting them in my throat, and I'm like, so I could fit a lot of marshmallows in my face. Let's see how many diamonds can do without throwing up. Cause I don't know how many I had, but I had a lot.
Well, should I count them? Can't count you, because I want to know how many I have to be.
Fine, I'll count mine that are on the like, garbage, cause I have a garbage can. It's
You
not just
take
them.
this, so he doesn't hear me do this.
And then, yeah, okay. This is disgusting. Why is it pink? Hold up, there's a lot of problems going on right now. A lot more problems than I thought would be happening. Okay, so I don't know how many I had, but Diamond's gonna start, well, she's counting hers, and I'm laughing at her, because her face is like,
Don't laugh, because I
look how
will
round
choke.
it is already, so this is gonna be great. Alright,
Okay,
you start.
you count them for me.
Hold up. I gotta get grossness out. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Oh shit.
Alright, let's go see how many you can do.
Are you counting?
Okay, 1. You gotta say Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny.
2,
Chubby bunny.
3,
Why?
be successful. 4, Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny. 5.
5, right, I'm supposed to be
Chubby
counting.
bunny.
6,
Chubby bunny.
7,
Chubby bunny.
8,
Chubby bunny.
9. I'm just like shoving them down my throat. You're like organized. Chubby Bunny in the side. 9, 10,
Chubby bunny.
11.
Chubby bunny.
Once your speech starts messing up and you hear yourself starting to turn into a retard, it gets a whole lot harder not to laugh.
Where are we at?
12.
13.
No, that was 12. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Keep going. This is wonderful. Wow, my thing keeps like on focusing and 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I'm frightened. I wonder if they saw my pajama pants. I hope they didn't see my pajama pants. I don't have pajamas on. I'm wearing a dress because I'm a lady. What? I don't know where we're at. 18. Only 18 chubby bunny. Okay, here you go, you nasty. Okay, you guys don't want to see that ever. So, yep, please subscribe. I promise things will only get weirder from here. They're only going to get weirder, I promise.